Like most reviewers, I generally review a product when I've just taken delivery of it, so I can kind of get the review up there before lots of other people. But this product is a little bit different because I've been using it for 6 months as we've travelled all over Europe, into the Caribbean, to the USA, Hawaii, and now here in Australia. And you can imagine a variety of different water sources, from lakes to rivers to all kinds of taps in rather dodgy locations.
Tastes good?
When you first put a filter in, you have to invert the bottle and leave it for 15 minutes, then discard the filtered water. From that point on, you're ready to go. It's got a 3-stage filter. The first stage is made up of small pores, so tiny holes, some of the smallest in any water filtration system available. Stage 2 is a filter of activated carbon particles. Stage 3, interestingly, is based on the fact that the filter has a positive hydrostatic charge when it comes into contact with water. The result is that it filters chemicals from drinking water, like chlorine or fluoride, and it takes out heavy metals like lead. But more importantly, it filters in excess of 99.9% of bacteria, waterborne cysts and viruses from any non-salt water source. And those results, by the way, are verified by independent laboratories in the UK, the US and India. Okay, it's testing time. Coke, coffee, and my urine. Okay, so there's the Coke. Okay, Coke's in there. Important thing to note, the filter in this bottle has been used for almost 2 months. In fact, we've used it across 5 different countries and untold water sources. So that's why it comes out a little bit slow. I'm just squeezing the bottle now, and you can see what's coming out. Hopefully you can see, I'm not sure actually. Let me see if you can see that. Isn't that incredible? Okay, so you get the idea. There's ever such a slight discoloration to the water. It's very subtle. You might better just pick it up. But as results go, I think that's absolutely amazing. Look at that. Water2Go claim on their website that their filter will remove bad odours and tastes. Now, strictly speaking, there's no bad taste or odour from Coca Cola. It's, it's delicious, but I can actually taste a very subtle hint of the sugar-rich Coca Cola in this filtered water. Anyway, that's a very impressive result for the first test. Oh, God, that smells so good. There are a few smells as delicious as cold brewed coffee. Oh, okay, into the Water2Go it goes. Hang on, let me see if you can see that. Okay, so the subtle taste of Coca-Cola has now been exchanged for a mild hint of coffee. It's kind of coffee-flavoured water. There we go. Can you see? There's a very slight coffee colour to the water. But when you consider how dark that liquid was going into the Water2Go, that result is amazing. And you've got to take my word for this, if this was a brand new filter, the result would be even clearer. I'm just going to wash out the filter using bottled water. Finally, it's my pee. Okay. Nice. Okay, we'll start with the taste test. I'll make sure it's screwed on properly first. Okay, the hint of coffee is now being exchanged for a taste I'm not familiar with. Yeah, it's just kind of just tastes of nothingness. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, the glass is empty. Okay, so to the uninformed eye, that might look like pure water, but you and I, having done these tests, can see there's a very subtle sort of champagne colour to it. It's got a golden hue to it. It really does taste of nothing. There's no hint of my urine at all, which is probably a good thing. Cheers. What can I say? Water2Go is a super sophisticated water filtration system containing a BPA-free bottle that's lightweight and easy to travel with. It's perfect for travellers with all kinds of budgets. Just about anyone travelling would be able to afford at least one of these. This is a great little product. Still good.